Hi everyone. So today's Thursday, so we're kind of changing things up a little bit, right? Because we've been talking about the new Disney movie called Soul Man that's coming out on Friday. And we can't go to the theaters, but it's coming out on TV. If you have Disney Plus, you can watch it. I don't have Disney Plus, but if you do, brand new movie, okay? So we can't have the experience of having popcorn at the movies. So I thought, let's go ahead and let's make our own snack, right? That we can munch on. So here we go. This is our movie mix, snack mix for ourselves. Now, I'm saying for the movies, but remember, holidays are coming up, and this is something that you can also make for your family. Like if you're having a family get together, it's a really easy, simple recipe. There's no cooking involved. All it is measuring, and the measurements are really simple. I mean, we've been going over these past, several months that we've been doing these. I mean, look, that's the only thing that we need to measure, right? And I've taken the privilege here of measuring everything out. Now you'll notice some things have more, some of the bowls have more, and some of the things have less. Okay, that's because our recipe calls for 1/2 cup. All right? So this is a 1/2 cup because like I told you guys in the past, I don't have a cup. Right? But I do know that 2 halves make 1 whole. And I've demonstrated that to you several times before, and all of you say that you understand that, and so I'm not going to write that out again. Just remember, 2 halves of a pizza make 1 whole pizza. All right? So our ingredients, what our blueprint is calling for our ingredients is, here's my trusty glasses, we are calling for 1 cup of pineapple, which that's dried pineapple right there. Right. We have 1 cup of banana chips. Now, I couldn't find banana chips in the store. Banana chips, I don't know. They weren't in the bulk and they weren't on the aisle. I guess banana chips are very popular. So, but you know what? You can use any fruit. You don't have to stick to this recipe. Remember, like I told you guys, this is for you. This is what you guys like. All right? So, but we're looking at trying to, be healthy here. Okay, I'm not saying go and, get a bunch of candy or M&Ms or whatever else that stuff like that you might like. Use something. Use common sense here. Let's use healthy stuff. Okay, so I do have cranberries. Now those are some of my favorites. Is cranberries. Okay, and that's a cup of cranberries. Right there. Believe it or not, we have a cup of rice cereal. Now this is Rice Chex because that's what we happen to have. Oh, and look, hold on. Look who's on the box of the Rice Chex. Look. It's Chrissy Teigen and John Legend. Yeah, you guys probably didn't know that I knew that, but I watched The Voice, so I know who John Legend is, and then I do know that who his wife is. Okay, because he's always referring to her and whatever else. So I do know who that is. And there was a time, I didn't know who's that. I don't know, but now I do, right? And like I tell you guys, knowing is half the battle, right? That's just kind of like, there used to be a saying, hey man, that's fat, man, that's fat. Or I used to be called fat and stupid. That was cool. It meant that you were cool. Now I'm just fat and I'm stupid, but okay. Anyway. But you don't have to use this syrup. You can use Rice Chex. You can use Cheerios. You can, if you like, well look, here's the Chex Mix mixture that's very popular at holiday parties, right? So they have all the different Chex Mix. So you have the bran Chex, the corn Chex, the rice Chex, the wheat Chex, and then you have your pretzels and some nuts and whatever. You can do it that way if you choose to do it that way. If this is your snack, but this is kind of, you're getting a little bit of salty, a little bit of sweet, and a little bit of sour. You kind of get it all in one. See, because the cranberries are not sweet. You know, there's no sugar on them. They're organic. They're actually good for you. I can eat these. Okay. Pineapple is very sweet. Can't eat it. Too many carbohydrates in it. Pretzels, that's your salty, right? So here in our blueprint, we are looking for a half a cup of pretzels. That's a half a cup of pretzels right there, guys. Here's our cereal. Now this is a cup of cereal, and again, like I said, you can use any cereal that you choose to use. It's really entirely up to you. You can get whatever you happen to have out of the cupboard, right? And then, now these things are chopped up apples. These are dried apples, but they're all chopped up. And let's see, that is a cup. Is that a cup? No, that's a half cup of dried apples. Now, I can't eat these either. Too many carbohydrates, because it's the sugar. That's the thing. It's the sugar, and I'm trying to cut down on my carbs, and so because of that, I can't eat that. Definitely can't eat that. Can't eat that. Can't eat that. Oh, but I can eat that. And in moderation. Okay, not too. I can't eat too many. So, and that's our blueprint. And our blueprint on this recipe is so simple. Okay. Once we measure out all our ingredients, I mean, you don't have to put them in the cups like I did. I'm just showing that for demonstration purposes. You can just throw it right in the bowl. And that's what we're going to do. So in go our apple chips, right? Here goes our apple chips. Woohoo! Let's go. Here goes cranberries. Woohoo! Yay! Cranberries! Pineapple. Yay! Woo! Pineapple. Let's do the hula. Right? I guess that's the hula. Pretzels. And our cereal. Okay? That's it. Here's our tool, our two tools, a bowl, a spoon. Well, 3 tools really, and a cup, and a measuring cup. And we just stir it up. Okay, we're just going to stir it all up. And we just don't break it up, okay? You guys don't break up your cereal so that it's like a powder or your pretzels. Just be very gentle and just kind of go on down on the side like that, and then turn it over. Down on the side, turn it over. Turn your bowl. Down on the side, turn it over, so on, all the way around until it's good and mixed. Okay? That's that. And so there is our mixture. That's the mixture that for your snack. Look at that. Look how big that snack is, that movie snack is for you. That's a lot, okay? That is a lot of snack mix that you guys can have for the movie. All right, and then if you're so inclined and you want to share, which you should share, because it's all about sharing, right? We want to talk about sharing, we want to talk about friendship, okay? So what you can do, take a little Ziploc bag here, open that up, and you're just going to take a spoon and you're going to spoon some of it into the bag so that you and your friend can share. Or your brother or sister or mom and dad, if you so choose to want to do that, you know. And you kind of want to half it out. So like half the bowl, you can do half if you want to. Don't be shellfish, all right? Don't be shellfish. That's selfish. That's a dad joke for you guys, just so that you know. And that's about half. Maybe a little more. There we go. Okay, right there. So that's about half, and then you've got your half, right? So you've got your half, your brother, sister, mom, dad, whoever you're watching the movie with has their half, and sit down and watch a really nice family movie, right? So this is, as you can see, nothing up my sleeve, no baking, no cooking, not a whole lot of measuring. We're just kind of using stuff that's in our cabinet. You know, if you don't have the fruit, you can use nuts. If you don't have the nuts, okay, it's Christmas. Use M&Ms if you want to use M&Ms, okay? But don't go overboard on it. All right? Simple recipe. Again, put that in the binder. Keep it for reference in the future. This is a perfect holiday get-together type of mixture, snack that you can bring if you should get invited. Like I said, it's just something simple to make, just as a snack for yourself. Maybe you don't have to make it, as such a big, on such a grand scale, but you got it. But at least you have it, and or you can share. You want to share with several friends, you can share with several friends. The thing is, enjoy. So I hope that all of you enjoyed this. This is our last recipe for the month of December and the last recipe for 2020. We are saying goodbye to Stink Stank Stunk 2020, and we really are looking forward to 2021, and I'm hoping that everything is much better. I want to thank all of you for enduring my little cooking lessons that I do every Friday, and of course this is Thursday, and I do hope that you have enjoyed them as much as I've enjoyed making them. I want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Feliz Navidad, Prosperos Años, right? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Be safe, because I want to see all of you back next year, and I hope all of you have a good Christmas and a good break. All right, thank you guys. Bye.